Hello and welcome back to the Alteryx Weekly Challenge with me, Nick Bignell. This is challenge number 111. So we are making a weekly challenge dream team. Basically, we have a list of the participants in the weekly challenge that up to this date, this was released in September 2018, and we are looking at making a like a fantasy league dream team from that. So we have, let's just go to the challenge. We have a list of the people here, which is all the people who have attempted the weekly challenge up to this point. And then in here we have a price or value rank. Now what it says to do here, rank we used was the dense rank. So the first two challenges tied, they both would have the same rank of 1, and the next third person would be given a rank of 2. So on that basis, if we did that, for example, these first 5 would all be ranked 1, and then these 2 here, including the amazing Neil Lord, would be ranked 2, and be therefore, I'm thinking, giving a value of 240k. While the first 5 would have a 250k. That's my assumption on this. So what we need to do is first of all rank these by, we're already in order of descending order of challenges by the rank, and then we can just bring that value in. And then what you need to do is create a team of 8 people, and you can only spend 1.5 million. Okay, so what I'm thinking of there is that we work out who is the best value for money, done the most challenges for the least amount of money, i.e. per cost per challenge, I guess, value per challenge, and then we can then see if we can put those together and see what we get. Anyway, that's my theory on it. So let's get going. I think first of all we need to rank these, and so what we can use is a multi-row formula. Very simple. Put that across there, and then all we want to do is basically create a new field, and we'll call this rank, and we want to basically take if we want it to, I guess, yeah, so if we bring in the data, maybe if I run it, bring in the data. So here we have if challenges, so it's a conditional what we want. So if statement, so if challenger variables, if challenger -1 or challenges -1 is equals challenges, then if it's the same, then we want to just take the row above. So we just take the new, rank. So it's just then rank above, else rank above +1. Okay, so if it's not the same, then he says, and we get a different, we get +1. Let's see what that's done. Yeah, okay, that's now ranked them. Okay, so the first 5 are rank 1, then these 2, including New Lord, are 2, 3, 4, etc. So now we can then, what we can then do is use a join to join those together with this, and we can simply join on rank. So we've got rank on both sides, we don't need rank again, but that will give us a price. So if we run that, it gives us number of challenges and a price. So I'm thinking now we simply do a formula where we work out the, I guess, the value per challenge. So value per challenge, and it's simply the price divided by the number of challenges. Okay, so I wonder if we can make that a double, run that. Okay, so we now have a value price per challenge. So if we sort this, I wonder if we can sort that by that value. So sort by value price descending, so we get the highest. Okay, so we now have, these guys, so well, that's not good, is it? So challenges where they've only had one are the best price. Okay, well, we could just go with that. We're, I'm thinking that's not. We want to kind of maximize our numbers, right? But you see, look, these people, Phil Mannering, for example, he's rubbish value for money. But so I'm thinking maybe we exclude. We're going to kind of maximize. I wonder if we filter out anything below 50 challenges or something, right? Yeah, let's do that. And see what we get then. We've not done enough challenges there, you see. So if challenges is we want greater or equal than 50. Okay, let's see what we get there. Okay, that's a bit better. We now have, yeah, so I think we now have, that puts a much better position, right? Yeah, look at that. So if we then sample the first 8, so if we take the first 8, okay, and then if we, and how much does that give us? So if we then take the price, is that, so that's the thing, is that all of these are going to be in there. So that's going to be 1.25 million, which is going to take us over our sort of cost budget. So that we can't just sample the first 8. Thinking we need to do something a little bit more. Let's think about this. So this, if we take, these are good. Actually, no, we want this the other way, right? Because it's per most challenges per. So let's make this ascending. Ascending, okay. Because then we've got the cost per. Okay, this is better because these guys have got the more challenges. So it's the cheapest cost per challenge, right? So this is better. Let's take. Do we need? Does that matter? Yeah. I guess we want people over. It has come up with that. Okay, so there we go. That's a better thing because this will give us the cheapest cost, maybe, with the most amount of challenges. Okay, so with the top, and then we can summarize what we've got. So with that, we can summarize. So the price. So we can sum that. Okay. And the number of challenges, we can sum that. Okay. Let's see what we get with that. Okay, so that is over 1.5 million. Okay, but we get 757. Okay, so that's not going to work. So we need to do something else to have a look at it. I think if we take out this filter, see what we get then. That'll do anything different. No, it's the same. I think it gives us the same numbers, same people at the top anyway. Yeah, we do mix it up a bit. Okay, so this sample's not going to work. So how can we then take this? I think. Do we just take the first 7? What does 7 give us? I wonder if that will give us any leeway. So that gives us 100 and gives us 120k. Okay, so if we therefore we're looking for the price first. 120k. If we brought in Alex, then we would have 1.5 million. We would, I think that would then give us pretty good kind of ratio. Yeah, I think that's the way to do it. So if we then bring in a unique, that's what we want for the unique. Now we want to filter to first of all we want to filter to where the price is equal or less than 120,000. Alright, yeah. And then we want a unique on the price. Let's see what we get. Okay, I think we wanted to sort, we have to sort it as well. Okay, Alex is the bottom one. He's the top one in here, so it's not unique here. Let's just take a sample of the first one, and then union them back together. Okay, so we've got our 65685, no total number of challenges, and 1.5 million. And our team are these, get a bit bigger so we can see, these 8 here. There you go. I think that does it nicely. That's where we can maximize the number of challenges and get a good one. They should be a good one. We haven't got just the top people, we've got like best value for money. Value per challenge is what we're looking at, as much as possible. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time.